Cześć. Ja jestem Jarek. A ty? Super. Cześć. To jest banan. Repeat after me. To jest banan. To jest banan. Co to jest? Tak, to jest banan. Repeat after me. Co to jest? Co to jest? Tak, to jest banan. Okay, guys, let's see now how to write the new vocabulary. Co to jest? To jest banan. Now answer my question. Co to jest? Tak, to jest banan. I think that you already guess what all these words mean, but I will show it to you anyway. So, co means what. Jest means is. To means it. Tak, of course, means yes. And the answer to the question, it is a banana. To jest banan. Two important things. The first one, as you can see in Polish language, we have these two words switched. So instead of what is it, we ask what it is. And the second thing, we don't have articles in Polish language. So we just say to jest banan.